Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Montego Perimeter Road project, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Now this is one of the most important road projects in Jamaica, and it is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. The project includes four main parts, and the goal of the project is to increase or improve the flow of traffic in Montego Bay by building roads to go around Montego Bay and to improve roads in the city of Montego Bay. Now, Montego Bay is one of the most, well, Jamaica only has two cities, but it has a lot of towns. So you could say it is one of, if not the most important town in Jamaica right now. This is where Montego Bay has a Sangster International Airport, which brings in 85% of the 6 million visitors that visit Jamaica. So, although Kingston is the capital, and in the Kingston metropolitan area, you find the majority of Jamaica's population, Montego Bay is very important because of tourism, and tourism is the backbone of Jamaica. Now, tourism is doing very well in Jamaica. That figure, 6 million tourists or 6 million visitors, could easily increase to 12 million. And even at 6 million, the road infrastructure, the road network in Montego Bay is struggling because so many people visit Montego Bay daily. So they are planning to build a bypass road for Montego Bay that's going to go from Anshore to Bogue. So if you are just passing through Montego Bay, you don't have to go into the city, you can drive around it. Game changer. And that's the road that we're looking at today. Numerous bridges have been built, and it's a 15-kilometer stretch of road. They're also going to be improving roads within Montego Bay, such as Barnett Street and West Green Avenue. And that's part two. Part three of the four parts is building a bypass for Long Hill. And part four is doing a study to improve the drainage situation in Montego Bay. So we are going to give you an update on all four parts. So today we are showing you the bypass road, and we will show you the other sections later in the week. So we're just going to go through and give you an update as to what is happening here. Montego Bay has long been one of Jamaica's most important cities. As the island's tourism capital and a major commercial hub, it attracts thousands of visitors daily while serving a growing residential population. However, for decades, the city's road network has struggled to keep pace with this growth. Chronic traffic congestion, narrow corridors, flooding, and heavy trucks moving through residential areas have all combined to slow movement and reduce productivity. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road was conceived as a solution to these challenges. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is designed to divert traffic away from the city's crowded core and create a modern, high-capacity route that allows vehicles to move around rather than through the city. Instead of forcing motorists, freight vehicles, and airport-bound traffic onto Barnett Street and other inner-city roads, the Perimeter Road provides an alternative that improves travel times and road safety. This is particularly important for a city that depends heavily on efficiency, tourism logistics, and reliable access to Sangster International Airport. One of the most significant aspects of the project is its scale and design. The Perimeter Road is being built to modern highway standards, including multiple lanes, proper drainage, and engineered slopes to reduce landslides and flooding. A key feature is a Long Hill bypass, which replaces one of the most difficult and accident-prone sections of roadway leading into Montego Bay. By eliminating steep gradients and sharp curves, the project improves safety while also making travel more predictable for commuters and commercial operators. Alright, that's the end of the update. Okay, there is one more section. In many ways, the perimeter road represents a shift in how Jamaica approaches urban transport planning. Instead of constantly widening inner city roads, it embraces strategic bypasses that balance mobility, safety, and development. As Montego Bay continues to grow, the perimeter road is set to become one of the most important investments shaping the city's future. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.